The United Nations Multidimensional Integrated Stabilization Mission in Mali is a United Nations peacekeeping mission in Mali. MINUSMA was established on 25 April 2013 by United Nations Security Council Resolution 2102. Stabilize the country after the Tuareg Rebellion of 2012. It was officially deployed on 1 July, and has become the UN's most dangerous peacekeeping mission, with 209 peacekeepers killed out of a force of about 15,200. Apart from MINUSMA, there currently are two further international peace operations in Mali. These are the European Union missions EUCAP Sahel Mali and EUTM Mali. In 2012, Tuareg and other peoples in northern Mali's Azawad region started an insurgency in the north under the banner of the National Movement for the Liberation of Azawad. After some initial successes and complaints from the Malian army that it was ill-equipped to fight, the insurgents, who had benefited from an influx of heavy weaponry from the 2011 Libyan civil war as well as other sources, elements of the army staged a military coup d'état on 21 March 2012. Following the coup, the rebels made further advances to capture the three biggest cities in the north, Gao, Timbuktu and Kidal, following economic sanctions and a blockade by the Economic Community of West African States on the country. A deal, brokered in Burkina Faso by President Blaise Compaoré under the auspices of ECOWAS, was signed that would see Amadou Sanogo cede power to Dionkunda Traoré to assume the presidency in an interim capacity until an election is held. On 1 July 2013, 6,000 of a future total of 12,600 UN peacekeeping troops officially took over responsibility for patrolling the country's north from France and the ECOWAS International Support Mission to Mali. The group was expected to play a role in the 2013 Malian presidential election. The force is the third largest UN peacekeeping force in operation in the world. Its headquarters are in the Malian capital, Bamako. Military intelligence will be evaluated by Force Headquarters U2 Intelligence Section. The force was led by Danish Major General Michael Lolesgaard in 2015 and 2016. Belgian Major General Jean-Paul de Koninck until 2 October 2018. After which he was succeeded by Lieutenant General Dennis Gyllenspor of Sweden. Current contributors are: in October 2013, a suicide bomber attacked the Chadian soldiers resulting in the death of 2 soldiers. On 13 December, 2 Senegalese peacekeepers were killed at a bombing outside the Malian Solidarity Bank in Kidal, day before the second round of the Malian parliamentary election. 2013. In October 2014, 10 soldiers were killed, 9 from Niger and 1 from Senegal near Gao and Kidal, respectively, bringing the total number of dead soldiers from the mission to 21 with dozens more wounded. It also preceded Malian Foreign Minister Abdoulaye Diop calling for the UNSC to send a rapid deployment force to the country, claiming that there was an increase in drug traffickers and Islamist fighters. UN Peacekeeping Chief Hervé Ledassou also spoke to the UNSC from Bamako, where he attended a memorial service for the dead soldiers. He added that a combination of factors has led to the increase in attacks on UN troops, including the drawdown of French forces and a perceived lack of Malian security forces. As such, MINUSMA, being the main international presence in the area, was a target. He further noted that the UN was no longer working in a peacekeeping environment, but sought to increase protection of the mission staff, equipment and bases. On 20 January 2019, the MINUSMA base at Aguelok was attacked by militants. The attack was repelled, but 10 Chadian UN peacekeepers were killed and a further 25 injured. The militants had arrived on board a number of armed vehicles. Several of the attackers are said to have been killed. Responsibility was claimed by Al-Qaeda in the Islamic Maghreb, who stated that it was a retaliatory attack for the recent visit to Chad by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and the subsequent revival of Chad-Israel diplomatic relations. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres condemned the attack. On January 25, 2019, 3 members of Sri Lanka peacekeeping troops deployed in Mali were killed. while 3 corporals were injured when their armored vehicle came under an improvised explosive device attack in the general area of Douentza in Mali. The United Nations reported that attacks in the northern Mali against a UN convoy killed 3 peacekeepers from Chad and injured 4 others. Secretary-General Antonio Guterres and UN spokesman Stéphane Dujarric criticized the attacks and said that they could account to war crimes as per the international law. On 10 May 2023, UNMINUSMA peacekeepers were killed in action near Aguelog. As of March 31, 2020, 209 MINUSMA troops lost their lives. 20 MINUSMA troops were wounded, some seriously, in attacks by rebels in Douentza, Moti, on 10 February 2021. On 30 March 2021, MINUSMA